Uh, I'm RFG, Red Phone Guy, and today I'm going to talk about my belt setup. I've been doing this hobby for around 4 years now, professionally. And this is going to be my pretty much completed belt setup. So I'm just going to get into it. Just to let you guys know, I'm not military, law enforcement, security. This is not my full-time job. So just going to get into it. So starting off at the front over here, this is a Aglite Magnetix belt. It's the best belt on the market in my opinion for pretty much everything. It's kind of like a Ferro Bison belt, except for it's got the magnetic system, which actually with this inner belt right here. If I stop real quick, actually magnetizes right here to the inside of this belt, right there. And they click in, so it solves your problems of lining up your battle belts. So that's a cool thing. It also has this closure system that this tab goes into the other side of the belt over here. Tab, they go together, so it doesn't flex at the belt buckle, which a lot of new battle belts are solving. So I'm just gonna go through it. So starting off at the belt buckle, Ferro Concepts, their new Bison belt thing, the Bora belt, comes with this webbing lock, and a lot of battle belts are known to loosen. And I was like, hey, this is a mini Cobra buckle. They both use the same thing. So I was like, why don't we put in the barrel or the Bora belt webbing lock here? And it does fit really well. Keep that webbing secure so it doesn't loosen at all when I'm wearing it, which is one of the bigger problems with battle belts. Now moving back from there, I do have a Cat Gen 7 tourniquet, and a Sharpie for writing the time on the tourniquet or whatever in the field. On a S-Tac elastic holster thing with a carabiner in the back here, which holds my gloves, which is on the one wrap actually. So it's a 511 carabiner with 511 gloves. These are just my thicker gloves. It's winter time, a little bit thicker. They're just, if I need to throw something on, I'd rather have the thick gloves, not the super tactical gloves. So moving back from that, I do have a holster. This is a, if I were to get this off, Safariland 6378 RDS, red dot sight. And here I have my Glock 19 set up. But this is a very nice holster. Do have the QLS fork on the back. And I did heat gun the front so it could fit the comp here. Did put in a screw there. Fits you in your Glock perfectly. Don't have the nub. I don't really need it. My thumb actuates that button fine. And this is all running on the True North Concepts MHA holster adapter thing, which I do have a canted Safariland QLS plate on. On the back here, I am running the ice vents on here, which when it's on your leg helps keep it a little bit off and helps add padding and ventilation. You can look at it on their website. Attaches through the QLS thing, if you look right there. Then I do have the Ferro Velcro badge right here. So that is also another thing. This helps get the Velcro that is lost when you're running this holster adapter. Helps recover that Velcro. Also from Ferro. I do run the leg strap. You should always run leg straps. You look silly when you're running around and your gun's flopping off your holster. Moving back, I have a Spud pouch. In this Spud pouch, I have a water bottle. Can hold 2 magazines. Most likely going to use a water bottle in it, just because that's the only thing that I'm going to use. This is a range belt, and going to just throw that in there during range instead of back pocket or something. Also during events, I'll throw that in there. It's pretty nice. Spud pouch could also hold Thunder Bees, which I use a lot of the time, so that's also another big component of where I have it there. Just unused space, so I'm just gonna put that there. Moving back, I have a LBT or LBX 9022. Just pull out this thing. Comes out like that. Then in here, I actually do have a insert. This is for a T-Rex arms Ifak. This is mostly just Velcro on. Took it out. It's a nice insert. Inside here, I have some S-roll gauze, some chest seals and stuff like that. Also some dressing. Yeah, some responder 4-inch dressing. Then also have some really thick gauze, some really big band-aids, and some tape for some other injuries. Just that's what I'm running in here. Ifak plus more ingredients that I'll use more often. Just mollied on the belt, so that's really it. Moving over here, I have a 511 dump pouch. This is a dump pouch I've used for about 3 years now. It's very nice. Just folds up like that. Not really looking to get a new one. Nice. Just mollies on there. It's good size. It's held up really, really well. It's also a good price, even though 511 is a little bit overpriced. Moving back from that, I do have a S-Tac Kiwi. This is their diaper one. It's made out of Squadron. It comes up about midway through. I just have a sim mag in here. It does just one wrap onto the belt with all other S-Tac products. Just has Kydex in there. You're able to reinsert your mag. And then moving back from that, I do have dual angled mag pouches for the Glock that I'm running right now. They're angled and they have the one wrap again. The angle allows them to be faster when you're reloading, especially if you go and throw your old mag in the dump pouch, and then you come back. Taken from comp shooters. Comp shooters use it a lot of the time when they're doing stuff, and comp shooters always try to get the fastest, so just copy that. So, they do have that retention in there that keeps it open, and then that's really it. Getting back to the belt buckle, so it's pretty much my entire belt setup. Just a quick rundown. So there you go. Make sure to like, comment. I'm going to be coming out with some more 2025 setups soon, or 2026 setups actually soon. So